Hi everyone, welcome to Nano ELearn and back to manual testing video series. In today's video, we'll learn about what is integration testing and its various types. Before that, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever new content is uploaded. For complete information, please watch this video completely till the end. Let's get started. What is integration testing? Integration testing is performed after unit testing. Integration testing consists of testing a group of connected modules. The goal of integration testing is to verify the interfaces between the modules and uncover any defects that may occur when these components are combined. That is, it aims at finding interfacing issues between the modules. Let us learn about different types of integration testing. The first one is Big Bang integration testing. It is an approach to integration testing in which all units are linked at the same time, resulting in a complete system. When this testing technique is used, it is difficult to isolate any flaws that are identified between the interfaces between separate units are not verified. After all of the modules have been matched, the Big Bang integration testing begins. The main drawback is that it takes a long time to complete. Because of the late integration, tracing the reason of the failures is extremely challenging. Because all of the components are being integrated at the same time, the possibilities of significant failures are higher. The next type is top-down integration testing. This is an integration testing that starts with top-level modules and works its way down to low-level modules. The next type is bottom-up integration testing. The bottom-up integration involves testing the lower level modules before moving up the hierarchy to higher level components. Bottom-up testing is a form of incremental integration testing approach in which two or more modules are integrated or joined by working upward from the bottom to the top of the architecture structure's control flow. Low-level modules are examined first, followed by high-level modules in this type of testing. Now let us learn about what are stubs and drivers. Stubs are essentially called programs that are utilized in top-down integration testing. Drivers, on the other hand, are the calling programs in bottom-up integration testing. Stubs are similar to software modules that are in the development stage. The last type of testing is hybrid integration testing. The hybrid integration testing combines both the top-up and bottom-up integration techniques. Here, both the methods are used to perform the testing. At the same time that the lower modules are being integrated with the top modules are being tested. This is also known as sandwich testing. Hybrid integration testing takes the advantage of both the bottom-up and top-up integration. The main layer, top layer, and the bottom layer are used in the hybrid integration testing to categorize the product's features. Above and below the primary layer respectively are the top and bottom layers. That's all for today's video. If you like my videos, make sure to share with your friends and family. Also, please make sure to visit and subscribe my channel. The channel link is provided in the description below. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching my video. Happy learning. Have a good day.